The second row is asking us to find the sum of the population of all countries ending with E. Type in equals SUMIF, open parenthesis. The first parameter is the range that is being tested, the criterion range, and it's the countries. So we choose the countries, A2 to A15. What is the criteria? Ending with E. So the way we do this is that we put the asterisk before and we put E, close quotation. The third parameter is the range that needs to be summed, and that is the population. So we choose B2 to B15. We close the parenthesis, press enter. We got 20,515,000. We can check the accuracy by summing these ourselves. The countries that end in E are Zimbabwe, Singapore, Suriname. 20,515,000. There we go. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. See you in the next video.